shit around.
Y'all finna go to pool party, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
You gonna be at the pool then, John?
The bitch gonna hand it off to my passenger if he's awake.
Nigga, now we doing something. We got a reason to be awake. I'm on tape side.
Hey, bro. Y'all need to stop this. Y'all need to
We ain't finna see it.
Like, goddamn slow ass
Y'all not finna keep disrespecting me, bro. Y'all not finna keep disrespecting me. That's all I got to say.
Boy, you rush the road, bro. That's it. You got precious cargo.
No, you picked your hair. Shit.
Hey, bro, get out. Get out, bro. Niggas spoiling.
Why you got me? I'm just a teacher trying to make a living. And these niggas.
I just use for yourself something like that. Don't do too much.
But no, why y'all, bro, don't even worry about none of that. You not, hey.
I take care of my bills.
And it's so crazy, bro, I can feel it in my heart. I was like, they got 3 of them, they got 4 of them. Oh yeah, we next. And we, if everybody wants to know, we are literally like right by my house. How do you zoom in? Yeah. I can't even focus, but we are right at the exit.
Alright, like I said, gonna give you a warning.
Thank you, sir.
Just make smart decisions, alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright, y'all are good to go.
Thanks.
Hey, y'all, you good, bro?
But he was a cool officer. Thank God, everything's good.
Okay.
I'm
He said thank you for pulling over.
yeah, he was like, he already knew. Look at him.
Damn, that's crazy.
How you feeling?
Hey, man. I'm just glad we didn't get.
Nigga. Me too. Shit.
Hey, y'all boys straight?
Now you gotta do the wellness checks.
Shit.
Oh, if you didn't know,
all the
I'm the guest for today, Kyrie, best friend, 10 plus years, you know.
God, nigga, they was goddamn 12,
This nigga needs to
15
get a,
days.
well, I'm gonna stop saying nigga. This gentleman, Adrian Jamal,
Nigga,
he needs to, well, he used to have the N-word. He needs to get some better, you know, cast members for his show. Like, you take me on a ride along, bro, I have views going, you know, but.
Hey, and what you said your heart did?
Alright, drop. Fuck on. Hold on.
But
that's my first time getting pulled over in this car.
really?
Yes.
You bought the windows tinted like this for real?
Yes.
Oh wow.
It's my first time ever getting pulled over for tent. People ask, do they ever bother you for tent? I say no. I stay my ass from downtown and I stay in DeKalb County. DeKalb County really don't care, but you know, they got better shit to worry about. They killing folks over there.
Yeah.
So yeah, bro.
Tell you how you feel about that.
That shit fuck Tay. He put his do-rag on, bro. That shit fuck Tay. Tay is a different person now.
You do good.
Bro, that man's a car meet. That's what he doing.
Bro, don't piss me off, bro.
Bro, I got a wide body. How am I finna get out?
Cause I don't want to fuck up your video. The camera on my face.
Man, Duke.
Now, come to a point in the video where let me see if I can zoom this bitch in. Where I get mad as fuck. Dun, dun, dun. Fuck you mean? These niggas ain't responding. This nigga is screaming out the window, where we going? And them niggas is
I don't know them folks.
what?
I just called my people. He just said shit. I'm in the house in traffic. I don't know what.
And
So
so
Martavia said that's
that is the thing we need to find out.
we lost what's that dude name in Hangover?
Doug.
We lost Doug. Doug Duggan, bro. He done left his phone behind. Nobody can contact that man.
Wait a minute.
The little left of a phone he do have.
He got a charger. He left everything Martavius need. A phone, charger, and papers. That nigga funny. But yeah, I gotta stop saying nigga. Nigga.
Yeah, man, that bleep out of you out, bro.
I know. Cause you can't boop, boop, boop. It's all good. I was just glad to be part of this journey. Yeah,
We got
it's
pulled over
8
today,
o'clock.
bro.
Yeah, we got pulled over. You know, yeah. I think that's probably the one part of this thing that we just, got pulled over. So now all of the fast cars have to sit in slow traffic.
That's crazy.
What a contradiction. Excuse me. So yeah.
So here in this video with some couple pulls scaring the shit out of Kyrie.
Fuck you. You need to have two hands on the damn wheel.
Hey, bro.
And make sure we hit this green light correctly. You wanna, oh, let's get some pulls of Kyrie Beals. Yeah. Nah, nigga, you wanna get extreme? Let's get extreme then, nigga. Let's get it fucking extreme. Woo! I don't know what the fuck in my nose, but
Too much air.
oh, all right, let's do how we did Tiffany car. Ready?
Oh, this nigga.
I just playing. My keys at the door. Hell no, you gonna fly out this bitch.